Okay, so today I'm going to just go over the DTE602 in a little bit more detail in regards to the command add-on instruction. The code that Germany provides off the websites can be found on the datasheet. Click downloads and you'll see the device descriptions, EDS files, and the Rockwell example information is found here as well. So the first thing we want to do is download the EDS and this example code. Um, this documentation should come as part of this example code, so you can download that as well if you'd like. Okay, and then once we have that, we should have a folder that just says Rockwell inside of here. We recommend the command add-on instruction, and you'll see in here today, like I said, we're going to do the DTE602. I open this up here. It has a project inside of it. I open that up, and it had these add-on instructions, these three right here to choose from. And the command AOI, we'll just take a quick look at that. So this add-on instruction is modified slightly from the DTE602, and what you'll see is when you drop it into a rung here, you get this large add-on instruction. If I put, give it a tag name to start with, 602, all right, and then we right-click, new, and create. It leaves almost every single field with a question mark, and you have to define a tag for every single one. Not only that, but when you do define all these tags, you'll find that, let's open this up. Oh, no, you'll find that there are arrays that are 8,000 bytes for the send buffer, 8,000 bytes for the receive buffer. Just really large arrays. And in the most instances, customers aren't writing that much data. And so with the DTE 602, it's only a single channel. So the max that we have set to write for a single channel is 2,000. So what I've decided to do here is simplify this a little bit and cover most of what customers are doing out there. And I've created this simplified command add-on instruction. And what I did by doing that is I started out by going to its definition before I dropped it into any of the code. And what I did was I went to the input for it. I have that as 166. I have the send buffer down to 160 and the output 166 and the receive buffer 160. So this covers all the functions of the DTE at 160 bytes or less. And we won't see a failure unless we try to go beyond that with some of the modes. So the majority of people are only writing a couple bytes at most. And so this modification not only allows us to simplify it and save space in the PLC, it also gets rid of the requirement to write a tag for every one of these objects. So this is what I've done here. Here is a final project that I have here with the simplified AOI set up, some more lines of code here to swap out what I want to write. And what we'll do in a second video is actually get into setting this add-on instruction up from the start. So I just wanted to have this one video as an overview of why I made a couple changes, and then the next video we'll get into setting this up and getting it moving forward and getting our data in. All right, thanks a lot and talk to you later.